Boo! I want to take this time to just really from the bottom of my heart thank everyone. Today we are celebrating 1 million watch minutes, y'all. Also, 1 million views. You guys, all my 30,000 subscribers, I love you guys so much. I could not have done this without you guys. I found where my heart is. I am so excited because this just really means that y'all believe in me and I believe in y'all, and I love you guys so much. 2020, bitch, get ready. Don't fucking sleep on me because bitch, it's coming through. I want to make sure that my channel inspires you guys to go out there and make your own channels and do inspirational artistry. Oh my god, you guys, I had the best time doing this. I felt so creative, so colorful. If you guys are ready for the last skeleton of the month for Skeleton Madness, keep on watching because I'm going to show you guys how to get this look. Because honey, Halloween is coming up in a few days and I want to make sure you guys look sexy. Happy Halloween. The year is going by so fast. I'm like literally blinking and it's like the next month, the next month, and the next month. You guys know exactly what this video is. It's going to be the last skeleton I do this month. I am going to try to attempt to do the dripping foundation skeleton look. So hopefully it goes according to plan. If you guys have not hit that subscribe button, again, you're a motherfucking lurker. Stop being a lurker and start being a lover. So hit that subscribe button. I want to see you guys at 10 a.m. every single Tuesday and Friday. I launch a video. Alright, you guys, so I have nothing on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a wig cap. I think we should do the eye first because we want to make sure the eye is like on it and sickening. So let's go ahead and grab some P.LOUISE. This is the base. This is, I mean, phenomenal product. If you guys have seen this before, I've used this religiously. I mean, these come in like a beige, a pink. Oh my god, you guys, the other day I was in the Morphe store in Sacramento and I went ahead and found out that they have a black one. This is dope. So if you need something that's super black and pitch and and just sickening. That's sickening too. So I'm gonna go ahead and base up my eye. This is gonna be a no brow look. You know, the great thing about doing custom makeup is that you can go big and it's kind of like okay. Take a beauty blender. I love to do this when it comes to bases, like just kind of blend out the edges. This honestly just kind of helps it blur out. So see how this kind of blurs? This one doesn't. And this is just really gonna help the shadow stick. Oh, you guys like my nails? Look at these. Marble. And then let's go ahead and finish applying the P.LOUISE base all over. And then take the beauty blender, same thing on the bottom. I'm gonna play with some Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the Jawbreaker. This is honestly one of the best palettes this year. I love Jawbreakers and it's just pretty cool to see your child moments in a palette. So this is pretty awesome because this is kind of like going back in time for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into a little bit of bubble gum. I'm gonna play with a little bit of gumdrop lavender, some brain freeze, some cute. I'm not gonna really do so much in dark colors today. This right now, it's all about not doing the same on one eye. So this eye is gonna look completely different from this eye. Let's go and dip into some bubblegum. Some bubblegum just like that. Oh my god, that's stunning. I'm gonna do some fuck. No, it's really called fuck, you guys. I have a towel on my table, so as I'm going, I'm just literally like wiping the color off. We're gonna jump into some brain freeze. Let's get some brain freeze in there. Oh, it's stunning. This color is called Sour, so I feel like Sour would look more prettier with the blue. Just like that. Literally, I just went into bubblegum, I did some brain freeze, I just did some sour, and then now I'm gonna pull up some yellow. This color is called Wow. Wow is like a pretty yellow color. Oh god, that's stunning, look at that. Let's get the last color on the side, because this side is pink and yellow. I think orange is appropriate for this right now. So let's go and get some orange in here. This one is called Suck. Wow, that's stunning. And then this side we have blue, we have green going on. So in the Morphe, this is the Pride collection. This came out this year as well. I'm gonna pull out this color called SF. So what I'm doing, you guys, is that I'm just really getting the color on as in placement. And then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna clean it up with a little bit of a crease cutter. So now we're gonna go ahead and blow out the bottom. So in the Pride palette, this color is called Nature. Go ahead and blow it like this. So over here we have the green. Now I took the green and I kind of just pulled it out a little bit. As you guys can see here. Did I use all the colors of the rainbow already? I wish I could do like a poll. I should do a poll. It should be orange. Let's get some orange. So I'm going back to the color Suck. It's pretty hot. Yeah, I like it. I'm just really blurring it. Oh, I was gonna mix that. So it's just like that. As I see here, all the colors are kind of laid. It's kind of telling me like where what is going. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go ahead and deepen it a little bit. Because this is like almost like an aqua ocean blue. So now I'm gonna go back. There's a color in here called Rise Up. I'm just gonna deepen the pocket like that. So that's literally what I mean. So same thing on this side, there's a green. There's a color called Parade. And this is gonna be deeper. I'm gonna actually use the color Truth. Oh wow, that's pretty, huh? Ooh, okay, good. Okay, so jumping on this eye, you guys, I'm going fast. Y'all need to keep up with me. So this color over here, you guys, there's a color in here called Sexuality. And I'm just gonna deepen it up right here. Oh wow. So as you guys can see, I'm literally wiping it on my towel. So there's a color in here called Sunlight. That looks the same, whatever. And then last color, this one I use Suck. I think I'm gonna use this color. There's a color in the Jawbreaker palette called Cherry Wet. All right, you guys, so now this side's totally cunt. This side's like cunt. Cunt's good, by the way. There's a green here called Nate. So I'm gonna blur this on the bottom. Oh wow, that's pretty. This color was supposed to be orange. I'm just gonna put some kind of red color right there. I'm just gonna look lovely when I'm taking this off. This is a look that I would definitely go to like pump my gas. You know what I mean? Like I've been like, hi, can I get 20 on 1? Now you guys, I did that super fucking fast. Go ahead and pull out your P.LOUISE base again. And now we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease, you guys. We're gonna cut this crease so sickening. I want you to cut a crease like you never cut a crease before. Taking your P.LOUISE, keeping your eyes open, and cut that crease. Look at that. So that's how you cut it like that. So same thing here, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so if you have some more on your hand, I always like to go back with the second layer just to really make sure that it's cut. Now, as that dries, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into this color. This color is called Fuck, and then we're gonna just pack it on. It's creating like this nice faded color just on the edges, you guys. So done with that. So now on this side, take a little bit of purple. Let's do this one, Love Wins, off the Pride Morphe palette, and just really, yes, that's what I needed. Just kind of fade it in, you know? Oh, sick. So now we have that all on, crease is cut, everything is sickening. So now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do foundation. I was gonna do the color first, but I didn't think it was gonna work. So let's go and just tap in some foundation. And you guys, with the foundation, I would do some on the nose, just because you really, really want to keep it like super clean around the nose area, because all this is going to be white. So let that sit for a little bit. So now go ahead and grab a brush. Now I went ahead and grabbed a brush this small, because we're going to really, really contour, but I want the colors to be really, really vibrant and on the face. So if you use something big, it might spread out too much. So like on this side, these go really well together. They kind of flow. So I'm going to start bringing on this side. And this side, I'm going to bring on this side, on this side-ish, and then this, the fuck, this side and that side. Damn, that was crazy. So get some pink. Let's go ahead and get it on. So see here, I want to build that pink, you guys. So build that pink almost like as you're contouring your hairline. This is gonna stain, whatever. Okay, and then on this side, I'm gonna do some green. I'm gonna do the color Nature. Get some yellow. We need some yellow in there. Yellow's gonna kind of blur it out, and then I'm gonna do some Parade. See, just like that. Let's go ahead and get some purples in there. I want to see some purple fun. Yeah, there you go. There's the purple. Wow, that's fucking stunning. I am already so obsessed. I was literally gonna change it up on y'all. You know when you're doing your makeup, you're kind of like, fuck, I should have did this, I should have did that. But you know what? I'm gonna stay with it. Now, before we start everything else, I'm gonna make sure it's super white on my inner corner. In the Jawbreaker, there's a color called Virgin, which I really do love. And just go ahead and set this before I forget. Sometimes I usually do forget to set my crease. Now, when you guys use the P.LOUISE, it does set by itself, but I like it to be really, really white. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure we cut this white really clean on the mouth. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna get a light foundation. Any white works fine. You can use clown white, you can use costume white, you can use even the lightest foundation you find in the store, as long as it's super light in your skin. So getting the foundation, just really making sure it's super white, because we're gonna want a sharp nose. This is where you're gonna start carving out, making sure the line is super straight. Now, it is very important you guys make this super straight, because we're not gonna outline it with anything. So the white is gonna be really pronounced, where it's super sharp, and then the foundation is gonna drip over it and have that effect. Watch, I fuck it up. Watch, I'm gonna jinx myself. So I wanna take it like this. The highest point is gonna be right here, and then the lowest point, so just like that. I'm like literally taking the foundation, I'm just pumping it on the brush so it looks just like that, and just really drawing it almost like you're drawing on a white sheet of paper, just like that. Go ahead and complete the nose. So you guys, I basically have it done. Now, it is super important that you guys wet your beauty blenders. And the reason why you want to wet the beauty blender is because you really want it to kind of have a little bit of moisture so it's bigger. I feel like when it's wet, it just kind of blends better. I mean, you honestly can use it dry. I prefer it wet. As you guys can see here, this is a dry and this is a damp one. And now let's go ahead and just blend it out. Okay. Let's go ahead and set that. I'm gonna go ahead and use BADDIE. Okay. So once that's set, wipe off all the extra powder. Now, y'all know I like to make it very white. Sugar Pill has an amazing white shadow. Y'all remember, I love it. I talk about it. Taco shadow is phenomenal. I love it. Oh, hi, there's a green. I gotta totally use that one. So go ahead and just really pack it in. This is gonna make it super white. Oh shit. This is just kind of give it like that nice white effect. I don't really like to buy makeup at the costume store. I just feel like it doesn't really work. We're gonna start drawing out the teeth. Now the teeth is gonna be super black and white. Let's pull out some liner and let's start drawing the teeth. Hold on! Let's put the black eyeshadow out first. I'm jumping ahead. And let's start just really blurring out the lips. Just blur it out. So same thing here, you guys, I'm literally taking it and I'm just stretching it out almost like a smile. Once it's kind of blurred, now this is just going to create the shadow. It's not really the teeth. The liner is what makes the teeth. So now we take the liner and now let's go ahead and sculpt out the jaw. And same thing on this side, you guys. Okay, so that's kind of like the sketch. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to get the white shadow. Now let's go ahead and blur out the black edges. I want it to be really blurred. Now the teeth is just simple straight lines going down. It's nothing gonna be super serious. The teeth is gonna be easy to do because you just literally take the liner and you just go. Same thing on this side. Make sure the liner does not run out on you. Now that's kind of like the sketch of the jaw, the sketch of the teeth. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go back and we're gonna really deepen up the teeth. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out a really strange looking brush. It almost looks like a big fat pen, and you just kind of sculpt the teeth out where you kind of round it. So for example, like this. See how this side's more like square and this is kind of more round? You just really kind of go in circles. And then when you get to the jaw, start filling in your jaw. Ooh, wow, it's thickening. So you guys can see I kind of filled it in a little bit on the jaw. So just kind of, it's all about the fading, you guys. Just kind of fade it. Everybody's skeleton's gonna look different. As long as you have like the teeth, you have the eye, whatever, girl. It's a fucking skeleton. We're not in a fucking competition on who make the best skeleton. Take a liner. Let's draw the nose. So I don't want you to do the liner past the light foundation. So just kind of take it and just really wrap it like that. It's almost like an upside down teardrop. It's cute. I feel like I'm cute. Okay, you guys, so it's like a clown skeleton. I don't know. I feel like I'm happy. I don't feel like I'm dead. I feel like I'm like kind of... Hi, I like a number one. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and highlight some shit. I'm gonna pull out Morphe highlight. I'm not gonna use colored highlights. I'm gonna actually just go ahead and use almost like a sheer highlight, so it's just not really so colorful. If you guys use almost like a pearl, it actually kind of mimics the color on top of the shadow. So let's see if this highlight works. So I'm just gonna take it and just... Oh yeah. So it's just a little bit, you guys. Not so much where you can't see the shadow. I guess that's all I'm gonna highlight. That's it. I like it so short. So let's do the lashes first. Let's get these lashes on, mamas. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing the dripping foundation. Now I recommend using any type of foundation that is very watery, very drippy, something hydrating, something that's like not like almost thick. Let's see what this looks like as it drips. Wait, that shit does not drip. Let's see a little bit of face and body. Oh shit. Okay, face and body it is. Okay, so now we're gonna drip. Okay, here it goes. Never done this before. Oh! Okay. Wow. Oh my god, it's fucking amazing. Oh! That's cool, huh? Hold on. So what I can see here is I want to pack this on. So it kind of blends, you guys. Is it still dripping? Oh, she still wants to drip. Same thing on this side, you guys. Let's drip. Ah! 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 Oh my god. Okay. That's cool. Oh! What if it falls on my nose? Okay. We did that. Okay, so taking the beauty blender. Let's not be like messy girl. Blend this down. Ta-da! You guys, we did it. I was like a one shot, one time. If you fuck up, I mean, you can't really fuck up, it's dripping. But you guys, we did it. It's a little shiny here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this blender because it's already because of the different foundation. Let's go ahead and get something more full coverage because I know face and body is very not full coverage. And then I'm gonna blend it. Okay. All right, guys, we did it. So excited. Are you guys caught up? Are you guys good? Are y'all dripping right now? So you guys, let me go ahead and get a wig on and let's see the final look. Honey, I am feeling it. Okay, it's a lot going on, but it's okay because my foundation's dripping. I'm so excited that it came out the way I kind of planned it would. Honestly, we went different directions. I was like going this way, I was going this way. I was like, what the fuck is going on? I'm actually really in love with like this part as I'm still dripping. Look, if I'm gonna lift right here, it's like dripping. So if you guys are gonna go out to a party with this skeleton drip face, I'm almost certain that you guys are gonna have foundation on everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me. I had so much fun in the past few weeks doing skeleton madness with you guys. I can't wait to see this look recreated. Have an amazing, happy Halloween this week. Also, you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't yet. Don't be a lurker, be a lover, honey. I have videos out every single Tuesday and Friday at 10 a.m. I do not miss the mark. I will see you guys in a few days.